What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of what's happened in 2018, where I've been making most of my income and the future of this channel. All right, so if you've been following me for the past year, I've been heavily focused on making my income with print on demand. All right, so the number one place where I've been making most of my income is still the same one as 2017. And it's merged by Amazon. So, you know, most of my income is still coming from this platform. I've been steadily growing. I'll show you a chart right here. The sales are increasing, but the income is roughly the same. Maybe due because there's more competition, although I am making more sales. A lot of those sales are coming from pop sockets. There's been changes in fees, so I'm not making as much per shirt or per sale as I was in previous years, but it's still a solid number, and you know, I've been really happy with the growth of this. Now the new thing I did last year is Etsy, and I've been really happy how my Etsy store has been growing. I definitely need to put more time to it. I believe this is where I'll be focusing most of my time in 2019. The next platform I've been, you know, steadily growing as well. Nothing too crazy. I believe this month I'm gonna almost make $200, and that's with Redbubble. I'll show the chart right here. It's, you know, you can see I've steadily been growing. You know, I also don't focus too much time on this platform. I probably upload a few designs every week or every 2 weeks, so not much time is put in this platform, but I still see some great results. Now I have uploaded my design on several other platforms, but there's not any real significance in sales that I've seen. I've uploaded several on Sunfrog, Teespring, and I haven't really gotten any momentum on those sites. TEEPUBLIC is a decent one, so you know, I will put some designs there. Again, I haven't focused too much my attention on TEEPUBLIC. I would upload some of the designs I think fit there every 2 weeks, and you know, I get sales here and there. But you know, something, if you are thinking about other platforms to get into, I would recommend TEEPUBLIC to have a look at that one. Now YouTube, I've been doing fairly decent. Like this whole past year, my channel has been able to monetize, so I make roughly 100 to 200 bucks every month, give or take. Every month is different, so sometimes it's closer to $100, sometimes it's closer to $200. It varies. It all depends on how much content I put up. Now I don't necessarily put too much time. At the best, I would put up a video every 2 weeks. So definitely want to change that next year. Now I signed up to several affiliate programs, and the only one that's been pretty decent was the PRINTFUL affiliate program. Now the reason I've done fairly well is also because I've been doing videos about PRINTFUL. So if you look at my channel, I definitely have a few videos about PRINTFUL, doing some reviews. So I've been able to have thousands of people click on my affiliate link. I get some of them to really go into it, and I make some commission if they are successful. So if they actually start selling on Etsy, eBay, or they start their Shopify store, and then I will make some money off of that. There's been a lot happening lately. Me and my wife are expecting. We're 38 weeks in, so baby's gonna come in soon. Definitely gonna probably be a life-changing event. I'm gonna have to juggle a lot of things. I'm gonna probably change things up, you know. I'm not really sure. I'm trying to debate what to do and what to focus on 2019. But you know, I'm gonna be keeping you guys up to date in this video. But I want to build the brand. Hopefully you guys could come on for the ride. If you guys want to see more, definitely subscribe. Hit me up on my Instagram account, and I'll probably see you guys on 2019. All right, ladies and gentlemen, until the next video, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, peace.